Hey, does your turbo make sounds like this? If so, it's probably time to change your core. In this video, I want to show you how to do it. So here we are with our turbo, and it is shagged, unfortunately. If it has in and out play, then you know it's no good. Another telltale sign is if your oil and water's getting mixed, but isn't like a major one, it's just like a slight leak. The water lines can get in when it has in and out play. So to start, we are just gonna take off these water lines on either side and our feed line here, but we're gonna disconnect the return from the sump itself because it's actually just easier to do it that way rather than trying to get up underneath. So we'll just get into it, eh? So I've taken all the bolts out of there with these thingies, and then you have a circlip that you've got to take off. It took quite a bit, and if you don't have circlip pliers, like my ones were too small, you can use what I used as normal pliers, and then this thingy, my bobby, to squeeze it. And just use a lot of silicone spray or WD-40 or whatever to get it juicy. But yeah, so once we've got that out, I should be able to jimmy this out. Might try fly dust a bit. Might actually have to take this part out as well. Yes, it can just come out. Perfect. And there you go. There is your old turbo. I might see if I can take it apart and have a look inside it, but that might have to wait for next time. Now we kind of just go in reverse. So this, and you kind of want to keep it the same orientation. So my oil drain is the obviously one, and that was pointing down about there-ish, like so. I sprayed it up with some silicone spray just to give it a bit of moistness, and I don't think it matters too much if you get it a little bit out, but it's somewhere around like there. And then putting us. So I had a few issues getting the circlip back in, but with an assortment of random tools we managed to get it in. You don't actually have to take these bolts out. I don't know why I did. It's just the circlip. Pull that out, drop the core back in, and I think just with my setup, maybe not with all setups, but you can put your water lines on, but you want to wait till it's in the car to put your oil on. Yeah. So we've got it bolted in and it's all happily spinning. You can kind of see in there, brand new. And you kind of want to just make sure that everything's solid. You should be able to grab it and almost shake the whole car by it. It should be solid. If it's not solid, it's not in there properly. If you've got any play in the cold side, the compressor side of it, it's probably your circlip. I had a bit of issue trying to get that in there properly, but managed to get it. So that's all solid. Now we just gotta, I guess, make sure it runs. Developed a squeaking pulley, which is annoying, but the turbo seems to be spinning well. Doesn't seem to be a puddle of oil underneath it, which is good. Hopefully that stays dry. That is a real shame. One on here, it's making that pulsing sound. It's also same as that movement, so I'd assume that it's that one. So yeah, that works. So let's just ignore that. So I've got it all bolted back up, all the intake and stuff. And that is basically a complete job. So I'll start her up. And it's still squealing like fuck. Awesome. So that is ready to go. And she didn't even explode. Fucking mint. Beautiful.